Hello students, welcome to BPKM classes. This is your Praveen Kumar. In this channel, you get solutions for all the questions in your mathematics textbook. So please don't forget to subscribe BPKM classes and enjoy learning. We have a Telegram group to discuss mathematics. I'm giving the link in description below. Join the group and ask your doubts. Coming to this video, we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 11.3 trigonometry. Here the question is, show that number 1 and 2. So here we are given two sub questions. In each question, we are asked to show LHS equals to RHS. So we'll start with the first one. Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So we have to show this is equals to 1. Let's solve this. Now keep tan 48 as it is. We are going to do a little bit of rearrangement here. Bring this tan 42 here. Next write tan 16 and the last tan 74. So all the ratios are in multiplication. So there is no problem in rearranging them. That equals to tan, in place of 48, I am going to write 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 is 48. So there will be no problem in writing tan 48 as tan of 90 minus 42 into, keep tan 42 like that, into tan 16. Write tan 16 as it is, into, next we have tan 74. So tan, in place of 74, I am going to write 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16 is 74, so we can write that. That equals to, now you have tan of 90 minus 42. We're gonna use a formula here. What is that? Tan of 90 minus A. Tan of 90 minus A is cot A. So we are going to use this formula to solve this step. Tan of 90 minus 42. So it is in the form of tan of 90 minus A. Tan of 90 minus A is cot A. So we get cot 42 here into tan 42 into tan 16 into tan of 90 minus 16. The same formula, tan of 90 minus A. So here A is 16. So tan of 90 minus 16 becomes cot 16. That equals to, now we have cot 42 here. So if you remember the reciprocal formula, cot A can be written as 1 by tan A. So in place of cot 42, we are going to write 1 by tan 42 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 16 into cot 16. Same formula, cot A equals to 1 by tan A. So cot 16 becomes 1 by tan 16. Now look here, tan 42 in the numerator, tan 42 in the denominator gets cancelled. And here tan 16 in the numerator, tan 16 in the denominator gets cancelled. So what are we getting? So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So we get 1. Next, second one, cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. So we need to show this equals to 0. Let's try. Cos 36 into cos of 54. So we are going to change this as cos of 54. We'll write it as 90 minus 36. So 90 minus 36 is 54. So we can write cos 54 as cos of 90 minus 36 minus sin 36 into here sin of 54 degrees. So we are going to write it as sin of 90 minus 36. So same logic applies here. 54 is 90 minus 36. That equals to cos 36 degrees. Now we have cos of 90 minus 36. So we apply a formula here, cos 90 minus a. Cos 90 minus a is sin a. So cos of 90 minus 36 becomes sin 36 minus sin 36 into sin of 90 minus 36. So it is of the form sin of 90 minus a. Sin of 90 minus a is cos a. So in place of sin 90 minus 36, we get cos 36. That equals to, so we make a little bit of rearrangement. So we write sin 36 first into cos 36 next minus sin 36 degrees into cos 36 degrees. So here we have sin 36 into cos 36 minus sin 36 into cos 36. So both are same, and one subtracting from the other we get 0. So that's the solution for the question. Do like the video, comment your opinions, share and subscribe BPKM classes, and please do join the Telegram group and get your doubts cleared. Thank you.